there, happy Monday, scholars. So today I wanted to post a video because I wanted to jog our memories and remind you of the multiplication strategy that we practiced today in class. So on Friday, we multiplied factors and found the products of numbers using a standard algorithm. And today, I wanted to show you a different strategy to multiply. This is called the box or the area model. Okay, so I told you earlier today in math that my job as your teacher is to provide you with many strategies that you could use to solve, and it's up to you as responsible scholars to choose which strategy works best for you. All right, so I want to do a couple examples of using the box or area model that you can use tonight on your homework. Okay, so on Friday, we multiplied using a standard algorithm. What that means is you took two factors and you multiplied the place values. So let's say, for example, the problem was 18 groups of 28. Well, that was solving using a standard algorithm. This is just the normal proficient way that mathematicians solve. And you would do 8 groups of 8 is 64, carry the 6. 8 groups of 2 is 16, plus 6 more is 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. And then, of course, we need to multiply with the tens place. So because we are now multiplying with the tens place, we need to be recording our answers in the tens place. So let me bring this a little bit closer so we can see better. Okay. So one group of 8 is 8, one group of 2 is 2, and we'll find the sum. And this is our final answer. Now, if standard algorithm is not your cup of tea, that's a-okay. That's why today I took some time to teach you a brand new multiplication strategy, and this is called the box or the area model. So let's use the exact same factors of 28 and 18 while we use the box or area model. So I have 28 and 18. Now, the first thing we need to do is we need to find the expanded form of 28 and the expanded form of 18. We did expanded form the very first week of school, so this is review. So I have a 20 and an 8. Because 20 plus 8 is 28, or also we can view it as the value of the 2 is 20 and the value of the 8 is 8. Next we have 18. We need to expand 18. So 18, I know that there's 1 in the tens place, so that's 10. And then there's an 8 in the ones place, 8. I'm going to split these factors into 4 groups because there's 4 values. So I had a 20 as a value in the tens place and an 8 as a value in the ones place. And then my other factor was 18, where I broke it up or decomposed it into 10 and 8. Okay, so that's how we set up the box and area model. Now it's time to multiply. So I'll multiply my tens places or my value of tens first. So 20 times 10 is 200. Notice the placement. 20 groups of 10, since they're both attached and touching this first box, that's why it goes in this box. Next, I'll multiply my 8 by my 10. 8 groups of 10 is 80. Next, I'll multiply 20 groups of 8. And last but not least, 8 groups of 8 is 64. And then I'll take these 4 numbers and I'm going to find the sum. That means the answer when we add. So 0004 is 4. 0686, well, 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 8 more is 20. 2, 2, and 1 is 5. So I had the exact same problem, 28 times 18, or 28 groups of 18, and I solved it using 2 different strategies. I solved using a standard algorithm and the Boxer area model, and notice that my products are the exact same. Okay, let's try one more together. Okay, I'm just gonna pull this out of the air. There's no rhyme or reason for this. Let's do 421 groups of 33. So if you wanted to solve using a standard algorithm, you could, if you feel confident using that strategy. So 3 groups of 1 is 3, 3 groups of 2 is 6, 3 groups of 4 is 12. But now I need to multiply with my tens place. So since I'm going to multiply in my tens place, I need to record the product in the tens place. 3 groups of 1 is 3, 3 groups of 2 is 6, and 3 groups of 4 is 12. And then I will find the sum to find my final answer, which I got 13,893. Now I'm going to solve this exact same problem using the Boxer area model. So I'm going to go place value by place value, and I'm going to expand my factors. So I see a 4 in the hundreds place, that's a value of 400. A 2 in the tens place, that's a value of 20. And a 1 in the ones place, that's a value of 1. Next, I'm going to expand my other factor, which is 33. I see 3 in the tens place, that's a value of 30. And a 3 in the ones place, that's a value of 3. So I'm going to split up these boxes as so. Okay, let me move this over a little bit. Beautiful. Okay, now it's time to multiply. So I'll multiply my hundreds place by the tens place, so 400 groups of 30 would be 12,000. 20 groups of 30 would be 600. And 1 group of 30 would be 30. Next, I'll multiply 400 groups of 3, that is 1,200. 20 groups of 3 is 60. And 1 group of 3 is 3. Now, in order to find the product, I will find the sum of these numbers. So I have 12,000, 1,200, 600, 30, 63. Okay. Can we all see that? I'll scooch it a little bit up. Okay, beautiful. And now we'll find our answer. 000003 is 3. 00036 is 9. 026, that's 8. 2 and 1 is 3. 1 and nothing is 1. So I found the exact same product using a standard algorithm and with using the Boxer area model. Scholars, tonight on your homework, choose whichever strategy works best for you. And please be reminded, I am not looking for utter perfection, okay? So don't stress yourself out. If you feel like there's a few problems you're getting hung up on, no worries. This is just data for me so I can see what I can better assist you with in school. Okay, good luck, and I'll see you all tomorrow.